Let's get straight to the point. We can't change our genes or physical traits, but we can definitely make the most out of what we've got and bring out our full potential. Being attractive isn't just about looks. Appearance does play a role, but there are other factors that can have a major impact too. You can easily impress people with just a few simple tricks and changes that will make you incredibly attractive. We're going to dive deep into how you could make the most of what you've got and become your most attractive self. Let's get started. The first thing that is the most crucial factor in this is our personality. I don't mean the type of person they are, but their core essence. Confidence is a key factor in making someone attractive. And realize that when you see someone with high self-confidence, their confidence came from taking risks, facing failures, learning, practicing, repeating, growing, and persisting. This mix of experiences builds an unshakable confidence. There's no other way to gain true self-confidence, and by attempting anything else, it would be fake. So you really need to live life, truly engage with it, and not avoid discomfort, and you'll eventually gain self-confidence. Second thing is body language. People are observant when it comes to your body language, so pay attention to your body language. Stand straight, make eye contact, keep your head up, avoid fidgeting, and lean forward when sitting and talking to someone. This shows that you're really interested in what they're saying, and they'll subconsciously appreciate it. Third element is how you speak and communicate with others. For this matter, you must practice. The more you interact with people, the better you become at communicating and talking with them. Being a better listener than talking too much and giving others space to express themselves really helps and makes people feel warm around you. Make sure to be as honest and straightforward as possible, because it makes you likable and trustworthy. Stop trying to be someone you're not, and avoid lying as much as possible. Do not lie to yourself nor to others, because in the end, all these lies will keep you from seeing your true self. Practice to spread more positivity, and be kind. Kindness is a simple but effective way to make yourself more attractive, so start slow. At every given moment, try to help others without expecting anything in return, as it shows that you have a good heart and is an attractive trait. You don't have to be a pushover for this, but instead just be genuine and helpful when you can. Besides personality, the activities you engage in play a big role. Your life goals. A person with a big ambition who fights for their goals every day is way more attractive than someone who's empty and repeating the same days. As you know, money is important in making you attractive and solving your daily problems, which is why you must learn how to attract money. There are many skills today that can make you wealthy, like content creation, publishing ebooks, designing and programming. To be more attractive, you must be constantly searching or learning new things in your everyday life. Chase your goals, achieve them, and take a step forward every day. Next is appearance. It's just as important as everything else when it comes to first impressions. Obviously, a bad personality can't be saved by good looks, but the opposite is also true. A messy appearance can diminish your value, even if you have great inner qualities. So give your appearance the attention it deserves. Take care of it. Let's start by talking about your body. It's obvious that by having a fit body, it will directly make you more attractive. And it also makes any outfit look good on you, because having a muscular body, it gives the impression of discipline and hard work. A great body is earned, not given. We all have different genetics, but they can't stop us from making the most of our potential. So take it personal and start working on this. Start working out. Try bodybuilding or calisthenics. Both will make you look amazing. And I also recommend to have a nutritious diet. Beware of what you eat. Take this seriously and choose the foods that are good for you. Let's not forget about style. When it comes to clothing, find a style that suits you. Look up different styles online and you'll find a lot. The key here is to focus on colors and make sure they match together. If you are fair-skinned, black will look great on you. It gives off elegance, strength, and simplicity all at once. Of course, it doesn't always need to be black. You can find your own style by different colors. Also, your hair plays a big role in your facial appearance, so take care of it. Don't overwash your hair with shampoo. Try to take showers without putting shampoo in your hair, of course to stay clean. Take showers often, but try to add shampoo only once a week. And finally, choose a haircut that suits you best. I would appreciate it if you could like and subscribe to show some love. Until next time.